Let's make 2 drinks in one from the Kraken Rum, the Doc Ock and the Pittsbirch. So we are going to make this drink in the glass. A highball is what I'm going to use. I'm going to add some ice. That'll be enough. I'm going to add 1 part rum and 3 parts Dr. Pepper. So I'm going to use ounces. So 1 part is 2 ounces. So that's what I'm using. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. And is it just me, or is the desire to put your fingers through these little loops counterproductive to pouring? Let me know in the comments down below. So I use 2 ounces of the rum, the Black Spiced Rum from the Kraken. I'm going to use 6 ounces of Dr. Pepper, and this is a 7.5 fluid ounce can, so I shouldn't use the whole can. Still some in there. Perfect. Now, garnish. Lime wedge. A lot of people put it on the edge with this sort of thing. I just like dropping it in. I'm going to poke it down with my straw. And there you have it. The Doc Ock or the Pittsbirch from the Kraken Rum. Drink with good spirits.